Hey everyone, Dave Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. So just a quick video on primer for wallpaper. So Trey's over there priming it. You can kind of see where this has been painted before. He's been priming. This is the last spot he primed. And you can see the color difference where that primer, and we're using guards, where it penetrated that wall and got darker into the drywall. This section was the first place he started. And so now you got this part where even though they primed it, they used a PVA type primer, which is for drywall, but it's not for wallpaper. It didn't seal a wall. So again, we use guards. It seals the wall really, really well. And you can see the difference on how that penetrates, gets into the drywall. This is already drying out. You can kind of see just in a few minutes the fan on it, how it's already drying out and getting white again. So if you want to make sure your walls are properly sealed, primed prior to wallpaper, to make sure you have a successful installation, and just as importantly, to make sure you have a successful removal when it's time to take that paper down. So again, we're using guards, brushing it on the outsides, rolling in it. We'll do 2 coats on this wall, put a fan on it, and it's about an hour to 2 hours, give or take, that we need to let it dry. We'll pull sand it, and once we pull sand it again, then it'll be ready for us to hang some paper. So if you got questions on prepping your walls for wallpaper, you can get us a call at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.